When it comes to home cooking in 2025, electric grills stand out as one of the most practical and versatile appliances. They combine compact design with powerful heating elements, letting you achieve authentic grill marks and consistent searing without smoke or complicated setups. Modern models are equipped with precise temperature control, non-stick surfaces, and smart features that adapt to different types of food. Whether it's meat, fish, or vegetables, the latest generation of electric grills delivers performance close to outdoor barbecues while remaining energy efficient and easy to clean. This ranking highlights the best options of 2025, selected for build quality, functionality, and proven reliability.
The Chefman XL electric griddle proves that an affordable kitchen tool can still deliver the kind of performance people expect in 2025. With a 10 by 20 inch flat surface, it offers enough room to prepare breakfast for the whole family, pancakes, eggs, and even a few burgers at once. The aluminum plate heats evenly, supported by a 1500-watt element, and the temperature control gives you a practical 200 to 420 degree Fahrenheit range. That means you can move from gentle warming to proper searing without guesswork. The slide-out drip tray adds a layer of health-conscious design, cutting down excess grease and making cleanup less of a chore. The real bonus here is that the plate can be fully immersed and even placed in the dishwasher once the thermostat is removed, something rare in this price segment. Of course, the utilitarian design has its trade-offs. This isn't a grill that adds much character to food. You won't get deep sear stripes like with ridge plates. And the build, while functional, leans more towards lightweight than premium. Still, for under $40, the Chefman XL stands out as one of the most practical family-sized griddles on the market, combining convenience, safety approvals, and reliability that explains its massive sales numbers.
The Artestia 1800W shows how far compact electric grills have come in 2025. With a ceramic glazed surface nearly 20 inches wide, it gives you enough room to cook for a family or a small party, while the powerful heating element reaches temperature fast and holds it steady. The removable stand makes it flexible. Use it outdoors on the balcony or indoors as a tabletop grill without smoke filling the room. Temperature control is accurate enough to handle both delicate vegetables and thick cuts of meat, and the drip tray system keeps oil managed so cleanup is quick. Build quality is practical rather than luxurious, and at higher heat settings, the non-stick coating demands careful use to avoid wear. Still, for under $100, this Artestia is one of the most versatile options, a portable, weather-independent grill that performs well year-round, whether you're cooking for yourself or entertaining guests.
Taking the third spot in our 2025 ranking, the Hamilton Beach GrillStation is a smart balance between home practicality and outdoor-style cooking. Its heating system pushes more than 1,500 watts across the surface, giving even distribution that's rare in this class. With the domed lid, it doesn't just sear, it locks in heat to deliver juicier steaks, burgers, or kebabs while still keeping smoke at a minimum. The cooking space is large enough for family meals, but compact enough to live on a balcony or countertop without hogging the area. Cleanup is simplified by non-stick plates and a removable drip tray that makes post-dinner scrubbing almost effortless. It's a bit heavier than most countertop units, and recovery between large batches can lag behind premium competitors, but as a well-rounded option, Hamilton Beach earns its third-place spot with reliability and a genuine grill-anywhere spirit.
Taking the second place in our 2025 lineup, the Weber Lumin Compact shows why Weber continues to set the benchmark for electric grilling. Despite its small footprint, this unit pushes heat levels beyond 600 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to create real barbecue sear marks that most competitors simply can't match. The versatility is equally impressive. You can sear, steam, smoke, or even boil, all controlled by a single, clearly marked dial. A thoughtful steam system lets you start with frozen food, thawing while preheating, and then moving straight to a sear. A clever solution for busy weeknight cooking. Cleanup is streamlined thanks to a front access grease tray, and Weber offers multiple color options so the grill can match different patio or balcony aesthetics. The trade-off comes at the price. It's one of the most expensive compact electrics on the market. Still, with performance, flexibility, and design that outclass much of the competition, Weber earns its strong second-place position.
Claiming the top spot in our 2025 ranking, the Americana electric rotisserie cart grill is a standout for one reason: versatility. With 205 square inches of cooking area, it's large enough for family meals, yet compact enough to fit on a patio or deck. The unique three-position heating element is what secures its first-place finish. It can create an even zone for classic grilling, split zones with different heat levels to cook foods to varying doneness at the same time, or rotate vertically to support true rotisserie cooking. This flexibility lets it handle everything from burgers and steaks to chicken cooked on a spit, an option few electric grills can match. The cart-style design also makes it more stable and practical than tabletop units. Downsides include a somewhat dated aesthetic and the fact that the rotisserie kit is sold separately, but when it comes to cooking range and value, Americana takes first place with a tool that feels closer to a full outdoor barbecue than any other electric model this year.
Electric grills in 2025 prove they're no longer a backup to gas or charcoal, but a category of their own. From affordable family griddles to high-heat premium models, this year's lineup blends power, precision, and versatility. Whether it's quick breakfasts, balcony barbecues, or full rotisserie meals, modern electric grills deliver real sear, easier cleanup, and year-round performance, making them the smartest choice for compact urban cooking.